Yes, morning. Saturday morning. It's time to do some videos again. I've been testing a huge amount of products this week. Performance, endurance, testing. So playing the whole week, and now I'm going to play with my own car. I'm going to do a 3 pH. I'm going to do some wheels, give you a little bit of extra information. It's probably going to be the last 3 pH I'm going to do on this car because I bought a new car. I posted one of the videos on YouTube and a guy contacted me and said, Reggie, I got an Audi just like you and I'm trying to get rid of it and maybe it's something for you. The reason I wanted that car is because it has a V8 and I was driving this one through the mountains the last time I went home, and it had a big struggle getting up the mountain with 174 horsepower. The car's driven over 400,000 kilometers. I would not stress the carter where all the oil is too much because it's sweating a little bit of oil. It's supposed to be with a car like this. With the age, it's 1995, so I will forgive her for sweating a little bit of oil. I haven't washed the car since I got here. It's been 2-3 weeks. I really don't remember. The time is very difficult to remember for me. But since I came back from Senegal, I went here. Since then, I didn't wash the car, so I've burned in everything. I'm hoping to find some extra stuff so I can make some extra videos, a little bit of small tutorial videos in how to. I probably found some energo spots that I can use for this car. And for the rest, I'm not trying to give you too much information, but let's do some playing around. No stress here. This is the most contaminant part. So I'm going to pre-treat this with Primus 1 to 10. Wow, whoa. Let's start with the wheels first. Wheels first, I got Primus 1 to 5. I'm gonna just do one wheel, you know the rest is segregated and all the wheels get the same treatment. So for me, pre-wash wheels is the same as pre-washing car. I don't touch. I do not touch. Sidero, double action, de-ironizing, de-lime scale. Safe for the protection. Doesn't matter how pure you do it. I got 1 to 3 because I'm a Dutch guy. I don't like to spend money. 1 to 3, be amazed how powerful it still is, yet completely safe, no issues, no drama, just benefits. Oh yeah, purple means de-ironizing, green yellow means lime scale. Adding a tiny bit of agitation, just a tiny bit. Oh yeah, yes. I found one. Focus. There you can see the greenish. That's the lime scale. Lime scale, baby. So on the dilution like this, 1 to 3, you can reach up to 16 to 20 wheels. So you can make about 4 of these bottles. This is what I needed for my wheels. With my wheels, this amount. So 1/3, 2/3. Yeah, very cost effective. Gonna add a little bit of protection, just a little bit of beneficia. On the wheels you use it pure. Spray in. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rinse off. These have been cooking in for 3 weeks minimum. Now you know this is protected. You know, I put a ceramic on here, it's a top coat, an experimental top coat, so it should go very well. Now instead of doing normal Primus, I'm going to do what a Belgian guy taught me a couple of years ago, to use Detailer 1 to 5 to get rid of the bug impacts. Just spray in, it has the same safety, same PDA level, but it cuts like a knife. So when it hits the dirt and the contamination, it immediately makes it a rinsable solution. So it goes like tsack, tsack, and it should be gone. I'm going to do the front, then going to rinse off, and see the result after, then we move to Primus pre-wash. I'm going to take the windshield as well. You won't see it, but I'll do it. Still got more than plenty left from the bottle that I used for the wheels. I'm going to use that to pre-wash the car. Stay cost effective, because foaming is very expensive. By Labo, we never touch the car during pre-wash. Everything that could be in here will be removed by Primus. If it's algae, if it's moss, if it's green, if it's dirt, if it's grease, it will all be blown away by the high pressure washer in combination with Primus. Before I continue with Purifica, 1 cap of Semper, nothing more. Cappuccino, make the cappuccino. Next step, Purifica. Dilution 1 to 5 to 1 to 10, depending on how long it's been, how many cycles have it's passed since you are going to use this product. I'm going to do 1 to 5 because I got to make sure. For me, this is the part where you can do your brushy thingy, however you like it, because now the car is so clean because of the pre-wash. There is no sand anymore, there's no dirt anymore, so then you can do your brush thing. Purifica stays on the car. Let it dwell as long as possible. And while Purifica is on the car, wash the car with Semper in the bucket. That's basically 3 PAs. Primus pre-wash, cover the car with foam of Purifica, wash with Semper while Purifica is on the car. Rinse off, dry, and smile, because there will be the rejuvenation of your ceramic. Three pH in a nutshell. I'm gonna dry the car, end this video. Thank you guys for watching. This is probably the last original 3 pH version. If the upgrades, if the upgrades come out, we will change the 3 pH as we know it into something even more special. And I cannot wait to show you guys that. I truly cannot wait to show you guys that. Because this has already been revolutionary, but what we thought of by all the feedback we got back during the last couple of years using this maintenance system, I cannot wait to show you guys what's coming up. See you soon. Ciao.